Now here's the tree over the bike path. It appears to be a 35-foot live oak, approximately 10 inches in diameter. And when I say root balling, this is what I am talking about. If you buy plants and things from nurseries, they will come with a root ball wrapped up. Now, other people call this upending a tree or something like that. But this down here, this part here, this is the root ball of the tree. And once they come up like that, there's not a whole lot you can do with them. They're pretty much done for. And this is the kind of tree was happening to one of the trees in my yard.